lived a lifetime with you, watched all of our dreams come true, spent countless hours consumed with the science of brushing your hair. We've weathered many a storm, 'cause we kept each other warm. In this world of uncertainty, you have always been there. But now I don't see you, now I can't hear you. My only companion's this hospital bed that is cold and dry, and I didn't get to say goodbye. I try to escape this haze and return to better days, when holding your hand was my only aspiration in life. For a time it was you and me, then we started a family, and in those faces I always could see my beautiful wife. But now those memories burst past like the gentle breeze, and no one seems to know the reason why I didn't get to say goodbye. No, I didn't get to say goodbye. Our time on this earth is short. We blink and a life has passed. We make a vow till death do us part, but the parting comes too fast. The least we can expect at the end of a wild ride is our loved ones will be at our side. But this year, even that has been denied. It's been 2 months of fear, 2 months wondering if you're near, 2 months of not knowing what outcome would be best. My family calls every day, which helps keep my fears at bay. But in this moment I simply ask of them one request. If they should happen to see the girl that was life to me, tell her my one true regret is that I couldn't tell her once more that I love her, couldn't spend one more minute holding her, and I didn't get to say